All right, let's look at graph transformations. And I'm going to give you my best robot voice. That's right, graph transformations. We're talking about vertical shifts in this video. So vertical shifts are up and down. Okay, like you talk about someone, like what's your vertical? Right, it's how high can you jump? So looking at an example, y equals x squared plus 2, we're taking the basic common graph of y equals x squared. Okay, and I'm going to draw it here in gray so we know what it is. And what we're doing is taking this basic graph and we are moving it 2. We're going to move it 2 in the y direction. So a plus 2 is going to go up. 1, 2, and then here's what y equals x squared plus 2 looks like. Okay, now we don't need to have this gray graph there anymore, but I'm going to leave it so you can see where we started. All right, let's look at another example. We saw that if we have a plus on the outside, it goes up. And I'm pretty sure you can guess what happens if we have a minus on the outside. Y equals x squared minus 5. Now, here is our common shape, y equals x squared. And now the minus 5, it's out here. It's not in here with the x. It does not belong to the x, so we're going to say it belongs to the y. And we're going to move it on the y-axis. 5 in which direction? Down. Okay, so here's what my graph looks like. Okay, and of course this will go on forever and ever and ever, but since I'm trying to match the gray graph, I'm trying to show you that it just goes down 5. All right, and let's look at another one with a different shape, another common shape. And let's do a square root. So for this last graph over here, we'll say y equals the square root of x minus 3. Okay, so your basic shape for the square root of x, we call it a zinger. Zing. Okay, it's kind of like a parabola sideways, but just the top part. And we're going to take this and we are going to move it 3. Now, does this 3, is it in there with the x? Does it belong to the x? Is it under the radical? No, it's not with the x. So it's with the y. And since it's a minus 3, we're going to move it 3 down. Okay, we are shifting it 3 down. And that's it. Okay, vertical shifts, up and down.